forecast.
And welcome back at 6:15 on your Thursday morning. And here's how we're starting it off across the Pacific Northwest. Mid-50s for Seattle and Portland. A pretty comfy start there. Much warmer for the City of Trees. We're sitting at 70 degrees still in Boise. One of the perks of these sizzling afternoons are these beautiful morning temperatures. 52 for McCall right now. Look at Moscow at 72 degrees. 56 in Pocatello. And don't let these morning temperatures fool you. The heat is on in eastern Idaho as well. We're talking triple digits possible in some of those places today. We do have some watches and warnings and advisories in place. Someone took out their Crayola crayons and just colored all over this map. So a heat advisory for the eastern Magic Valley because of those temperatures approaching 100 degrees. That is through tomorrow night. We have fire weather warnings down to our south. Areas in red are those red flag warnings that indicate fire danger is very high. None of those at this point across southern Idaho, but that doesn't mean fire danger does not exist. It's just not quite to this warning or advisory level yet, but we still have very low humidity is expected and not much moisture. Now we had just enough moisture to warrant some mountain thunderstorms yesterday. This loop runs from 5 to 9 o'clock last night. So we had expected some storms or the possibility of them, and that's what we saw. We saw some lightning roll through with those storms north of Sun Valley. Same story in the southern Magic Valley. And that could happen again today, could happen again tomorrow afternoon, and especially into Saturday. That chance of those storms sticks around pretty much every afternoon and evening. We will be very, very hot, but there is just enough moisture and instability out there to warrant those storms. This high pressure still very much centered over this Four Corners region. I did not move one thing on this map from yesterday. That tells you how consistent our weather is. So we're nothing if not predictable this week, I suppose. Here's our highs this afternoon. 101 for Boise, pushing 100 in the Twin Falls area. And like I said, even in eastern Idaho, 97 for Pocatello. Look at Missoula, Montana, 96 expected there. Bozeman up to 91. If you're headed to the mountains this weekend, the heat will be on. Look at this, pushing 90. This is in Stanley, normally one of the cooler, popular mountain destinations. Nothing cool about these temperatures. Even the mornings will be comfortable. 51 Saturday morning. Most people are used to freezing when you're up there at Redfish Lake camping before those temperatures get warm in the afternoon. So actually not a bad weekend to head to the hills. This afternoon we will be roasting again around the valley. We're looking at 100 to 103 degrees for pretty much every location across the Treasure Valley. Up in the mountains, it's going to be hot. 96 for Idaho City, 99 in Garden Valley. Even up in the Long Valley, we're looking at highs pushing 90 or topping them. 91 expected in Cascade this afternoon. In the East Central Mountains, a chance of those isolated storms this evening. 88 though for Stanley, 93 in Fairfield. Just a sizzling day there. 97 in Twin Falls, 98 for Shoshone, and about 99 for Gooding, and then that heat advisory in place for the eastern Magic Valley today. Here's our extended forecast that shows 104 degrees for Friday and Saturday, even hotter. Saturday could be record setting. We do get some relief, but it takes a little while. It takes until Monday to see temperatures back into the 90s.